We've completely forgotten what an Islamic marriage is all about. Seriously. People think the marriage is the wedding, 50 grand, outfits from India and Pakistan, the bridesmaids and the flowers and the food and the what's going to happen, who's going to be there, and 300 family members. Love it for you. Great. The pictures, of course, the Instagram, the reels, all of that. Great. The video afterwards, you know, with all the editing and everything, great, fantastic. Where you're going to live has to be nice. How does he treat you? Has to be nice. Did he propose? Did he give you a ring? Did he go down on one knee? Did you film it? Did he take you to the seaside and have his friends come in secret and then go down on one knee and propose, and they captured it on film and then you put it on Instagram and everyone's like, sis, mashallah, you're so lucky. Does he do the washing every day and you film him and you show everybody, mashallah, my husband? Your wife, does she hit you over the head and you film it and you put it on and see, I'm such a patient man, I'm such a patient husband? It's all nonsense. This is the dunya that we talk about, but it's just an illusion. Why did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala legislate marriage? Why did He create us in pairs? To provide comfort for one another, and ultimately on our journey back to Allah, to get to Jannah, inshallah.